marshmallow.
Now, does that look like it's all alive?
No.
It is.
It's alive.
How weird is that? Yeah? Look how cool. But guess what? You see all these trees out here too?
Yeah.
Even though they don't have leaves, do you think they're still alive?
Yeah.
They're just sleeping. Can we go to bed too?
Yeah.
Yeah. All these trees out here all winter long, they're just sleeping. They're not dead. Just like all of that fungus. That's all alive. Isn't that really weird?
Yeah.
Now, does it talk like we do?
Yeah.
No, but it's still living. How cool is that?